Oh, looky here. Looky here. What do we got here? Over here, buddy. We're all here. Huh? Here's a live one. But hey, no bite your head. Alright, we'll put it in the bag here. That's why we put them in there first. That one diving in. Woo! Birdie dogs. You better get over there too.
It's following me.
Yeah.
Oh.
Check it out. Yeah, what do we got there, huh? Huh? What do we have here? Hey, you missed out on the bird here. You better get in there too. Nick, easy there, buddy. Come it.
Everyone's dragging it away. I'm dragging it.
Well, I guess they're birdie. You can't see the bird anymore, so they take care of that issue. Huh? Let's see. Who's got it? Who's got it? Who's got the bird? Who's got it? Who's got it? Huh? What about you? You sleeping on the wheel over there? There you go. There you go. Let's see what happens. Hey, 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 hey. Hey, hey, hey.
They're stopping to eat the feathers that they lost earlier.
Hey. Let go of that bird. Hey, hey, hey. Little Dixon. Hey. Yeah, look at that little. Hey, hey, hey. Huh? You gotta get that bird. Huh? You gotta get it. Gotta get it.
Oh, they're gonna get the feathers this one here.
Yeah, Dixon. Yeah, that's pretty good first exposure to a bird. Although, sorry.